So for people who lost money with the incident in GCash, wherein they're saying that this is an issue of reconciliation process, can you explain that? What does that mean?
Ang unang kong, thanks for that, Attorney Karen, for letting me explain. So, first, when it is a reconciliation issue, it's a report issue. Siguro, just to simplify the discussion, a reconciliation is pag tinignan mo yung bank statement mo, may nakasulat debit, credit. So, a reconciliation issue is, hindi pa nakasulat, nandoon pa na sa computer, hindi pa dumarating sa'yo, and they're trying to mix and match. Ano ba talaga yung transactions mo for the day? So, usually, banks do that on a daily basis. And then, they do a report, which they also submit to the regulators, like Bangko Sentral, Anti-Money Laundering Council, etc., etc. Importante yung reconciliation reports na yan. Now, if that reconciliation record is wrong, tulad na nangyari sa BDO in the past, BPI, etc., ang nangyayari, nag-iiba-iba yung figures. Nag-iiba-iba rin yung transactions na lumalabas. So, according to GCash, this actually only affected siguro ito yung ito yung dito nahihirapan din si GCash mag-communicate. Dapat mag-communicate din sila. According to the report to us, yung reconciliation records na to, naapektuhan lang yung send to many. Yung angpaw. Ako nga, hindi ko alam na may send to many pala ang GCash eh. Yung send to many is, pwede ako magpadala limbawa ng pamasko sa lahat ng inaanak ko kung 10 sila. Sabay-sabay, pare-pareho ng amount. Kaya kung papansinin nyo raw, yung transactions, pare-pareho yung nawala. In the case of Pokwang, mapapansin nyo, 2,000 each. 2,000, different numbers.
Pero siya talaga yon. Meaning,
Hindi.
is it Pokwang the sent? So the reconciliation issue is that
Nagkamali
it's someone
yung reporting.
else
Yeah.
that sent money, but ang nalagay na reflect is that it was Pokwang.
Yes.
So, doon sa GCash niya nabawas.
Correct. So, at ang maganda sa reconciliation error, if we believe GCash, no, ang maganda doon is, makikita mo agad yung error. Kasi alam mo yung previous state, alam mo rin yung nangyari. So, with a quick turnaround, which they said they did in 24 hours, with a quick turnaround, mababalik mo yung pera. Kasi alam mo kung ano yung report na mali. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan, kukunin mo yung last day report, titingnan mo yung maling report today. At saka, ano dapat yung report. And then, swap mo lang sila. Nangyari yan, I think nagkaroon pa ng hearing sa BPI when it happened several years back. It should be a very simple case of getting the correct report. So, if it is a reconciliation error, no money was lost.
But
It appeared
in the
lost.
meantime, for people, they really have lost it because at the time,
They
like
don't
for
have access,
let's take
yeah.
Pokwang as an example, or even Ross, hindi nila magamit yung pera at that moment. So
Correct.
they did lose it because what if they have to pay for something big on one day na hindi nila ma-access yung account nila? Or if it's kailangan nila magbayad and mangungutang pala sa iba, they tend to lose money because meron silang babayaran na interest para lang mangutang, right?
Correct. Yun nga,
so,
ang problema
may
natin.
liability ba dyan? Can they ask for some compensation?
Tama ka dyan, lalo na kapag ginagamit mo sa negosyo. Tapos hindi makapag-transact ng pera, may nagalit pa. No? So, I think there is. Actually, BSP is now, the regulator, BSP is now collating all reports and they are encouraging people to report to consumer at bsp.gov.ph. You can also CC us at info@dict.gov.ph kasi meron kaming consumer complaint center din. But for the case of Ross and Angge, we'll personally call them. So you're right. I think there could be a liability, or at least if it could not be a personal liability because that would require these people filing their own cases. But it could be a liability where the regulator can impose fines for them
On the e-wallet,
on the
like
e-wallet
GCash.
operator on their failure to follow certain regulations.